So taking the previous example as it is, we have the demand equation and supply equation. We plotted the demand equation and supply equation by setting y-intercept is equal to 0 to get the x-intercept, and putting the x-intercept is equal to 0 to get the y-intercept. We get the equilibrium price by setting quantity demand is equal to quantity supplied. We get the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity, and we assume that the government imposes the price ceiling of, let's say, $20. We calculated the consumer surplus in the previous example, so in this case we will calculate the producer surplus and deadweight loss in the case. So we can simply calculate the producer surplus by calculating the area of this triangle from 0 to 20 and 0 to 40. We get the formula for the triangle: half into base, which is equal to 40, and height, which is equal to 20. So we simply calculate the producer surplus. Simply doing the calculations, we get the producer surplus, which is equal to 400, and we can also calculate the deadweight loss, which is equal to area of this triangle. So this point, simply doing the same formula, half into base into height. So in this case the base is equal to 30 minus 20, which is equal to actually 10. So 30 minus 20, and this is the height of the triangle, which is equal to 50. The distance between 40 to 50, which is equal to 10. So half into 10 into 10, so we get the deadweight loss, which is equal to 50. So that's how we calculate the consumer surplus, producer surplus, and deadweight loss. So simply we can check the total welfare. So when there is a rent control, the welfare is equal to consumer surplus plus producer surplus minus the deadweight loss. So in the previous video we calculated the consumer surplus, which was 800, producer surplus is 400, and we get the deadweight loss, which is equal to 50. So the total welfare will be equal to 1150, which will be actually lesser than the total welfare in the free market, or when there is no government intervention in the market. In that case the total welfare will be greatest or at the highest point.